Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ahmadi Fajrin. I'm a web developer with 8 years experience. I'm responsible for creating, maintaining, and designing a website. In this today presentation, I want to talk about HTML. If you have any question, please leave them until the end, and I'll do my best to answer them. In this today presentation, I want to cover 3 points. I will start with describing the HTML. Then move on to brief of the history, and lastly, I want to talking about the implementation. I will start with what is HTML. HTML is a markup language to create a web page. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is a skill must to have if you want to be a web developer. HTML is the easiest to learn. HTML use predefined tag. You only need to know how the tag works and its attribute. For example, header tag is used for creating a website header, or a p tag is used to create a paragraph. Web structure is like this. Now let's move on to the HTML history. HTML created in 1991 but never published until the 1996. Right now, the HTML version is HTML5. It's widely used on the alt browser. Now let's start with the implementation. HTML is used to create a website and web application. Here for the example. I will explain HTML main structure. First is doc type. Doc type is identify the browser to recognize the HTML version, and head tag is used for to contain the information about the page itself. It contains CSS, JavaScript, and more. Body tag is used to create a web page content. Inside the body tags, you will see a few tags. For example, p tag used to create a paragraph. H1 tag is used to create a heading or a page title. A form tag is used to create a form inside the web page. OL and UL tags is used to create a list inside the web page. Div is created to create element so that CSS can be applied to that group. HTML 100% used in the web browser. To understand this, what is you know that mean web page is doing. The information about HTML we can find easily in the internet today. The current version of HTML today is HTML5. In conclusion, HTML is boring language. It's hard to learn at first. However, with the grow up a contributor and writers, we need to learn at least a basic HTML. Finally, I want to thanks to all your attention. If anyone have any question, please ask me by email or write a comment below. Thank you.